The snowflakes drift, but not from the sky. They glow like whispers floating by. In the hush of the room, they softly light on sweaters and shadows in golden light. Oh, falling snow, glowing hearts, a winter's tale where the magic starts. By the tree, near the fire I stand, with time in my pocket and love in my hand. Nudie greens, a crimson hue. The world feels smaller, just me and you. Each shadow dances, soft and slow, to the hum of jazz and the candles glow. What makes the snow fall indoors tonight? A secret spell or the tree's soft light? It feels like the season has paused for me in this cozy cocoon by the Christmas tree. Oh, falling snow, glowing hearts, a winter's tale where the magic starts. By the tree, near the fire I stand, with time in my pocket and love in my hand. The flakes may melt, the lights may fade, but this warmth inside will always stay. In the quiet of winter, I found my part under falling snow with a glowing heart.